Hello guys, so in the last video we have seen that I have implemented the create method and details and edit, where we have creating the product and fetching the particular product. Okay guys, so here you can see that we have all things we have done in the last video in the ASP.NET courses, and here you can see the details section, and here you can see the edit. We have all things we have implemented in the last video. Let's see guys. First of all, we have to see uh, how is it working. Now you can see that here is the list of the product you are okay. If you want to see the details of this product, click on the details and you can see the details, and click on the back to list. You can go to the back to list, and here you want to edit. Then I want to Samsung 2, and price will be okay, this one. Now you can see that Samsung 2 is updated, and now if you want to delete, then it will not delete because you have not implemented this action method. This endpoint you didn't implemented. So if you want to create new product, then you can just click it and you can just create. Now you have seen. Now guys, let's start with the delete action method. So first of all, I will comment it out, delete product by id. Okay guys, so here public I action. Guys, if you have implemented this action method by yourself, so please comment it in this video so that I can see what you have implemented the logic. Okay guys, so here I have action method result delete, and I will fetch the id of the product. Okay, means key I will fetch the product. Okay, fetch the product by this id from the list. Okay guys, from the list products dot first or default. Product equal to null, return not found, return. Okay, return not found, return view product. So if you click on the particular product, okay, means in the delete button, then simply first of all this line will find the product by the id from the product list, and here you are seeing that if the product is null, then return not found, otherwise return the product. Okay. so here I will the action result delete confirm id. Here I am also, so here the same things guys, so just copy and paste. Redirect to action. Okay, name of, so So guys, if you find the product by the ID, and here you can simply use this method remove to delete the product, and it will redirect to the index method. Okay, so here first of all you have to give the post, http post, action name will be delete. Okay, so now for the delete I have to create guys create the view for the delete. What happened? Okay, so here guys, model products, data, title. Guys, here I am writing the code to show the confirmation, means to show the confirmation message, and to show the name and the price of the product what you have clicked on. And if you submit the button, like I want to delete, if you delete this one, then it will delete, okay, from the product. So delete product. Okay, wait, I am seeing that guys, is there any code? Okay, this code will be the same, because you have seen the when you click on the details section, then there is the mm, then there is the name and the price, okay, what you have the product. So just this is the similar code, so just I will copy and paste, in the delete section. Simply here I will change delete product, and after that I will ask to the user that are you sure you want to delete this product? Okay, and here the product name, price. Yes, all things is correct, and here I will create a form, asp action delete method post input type type submit. What's the value? As value I will give delete class ptn button, and here I will give uh, one more button for to return the list, to return back the list. Okay guys, so here I will give the index so that I can go back to the index. btn secondary. Back to list. Okay, so let's see is this working or not. Okay, what's wrong in this code, guys? Here you can see that the type or namespace name products could not be found. You missing a using directive or an assembly. Okay guys, so here is the product, because we have a product model. Okay, I am binding this form with the product, similar like this. Okay, so just rerun. So here you can see that if you want to delete this section, so here guys you can see name and price. You are seeing that you want to delete this product. Are you sure you want to delete this product? Yes, I am sure, so I will delete. So it will delete. Okay, so now again I will delete this one. Okay, so my list of product is the empty. Now I will create the next one. So guys, here I am finding the error. You can see the error user unhandled system.invalid operation exception sequence contains no element. Guys, you know you have already deleted the product from this list. Now in our so guys, when you delete this, when you delete all the product from the list, so here you see the logic guys, like you are creating the product. Okay, how the logic is working now here, you are you are finding the maximum, means maximum id which have the id, like in this product maximum id is 2. So if you found the 2, then you are incrementing this by +1, so you will get the 3. When you create the product, then in the product you are updating the id by +1 by finding the maximum id, okay, in this product. So but guys, here no any product are listed, means you have seen that I have already deleted all the product. Okay, so how can this find maximum? So that's why here this gives me error. So for this guys, I have to give the condition products. If products dot count, means I am counting, count is 0, then product dot id equal to 1. Okay, I will initialize it 1, otherwise else this line will work. Okay guys, so let's see. I rerun this. Here you can see that there is 2 product. Now I want to delete this one. Now delete this one, delete this one also. If you want to create TV Samsung, I want to price 60,000. Now create. So you can see that this is created without any error, because we have handled this error already by initializing +1. So our id is 1. Okay guys, So guys, you can see now here in this embassy app, I have implemented all the 4 operations here, CRUD operations. So now I will modify something else in this, like here is the simple embassy app and home and privacy. I want to put here the product, so that when you click the product then it will go to the index. So how will you do that? You will do that by going to the in the shared. Guys, what this file is, actually whenever you go to the privacy, home, and in the product section, all things are changing, but these things are not changing. Why? This is shared to across all the controller, to across all the to across all the component, like home is also the another components, something like this. Okay, means controller like this, and product is another things. So this layout is shared all the things. Okay, this footer and the header. So here you can see the code. So I will slightly changing the code here. Just copy this one, because here you can see the home is the controller, this one, and asp action is the iaction method, like the index. So index is there, and privacy is there. Okay guys, so index is like name is home. So just I will give the name here, asp controller is product, and asp action index, because our main file is the index file, and here I will give the product. Now guys, let's see. So guys, you can see that when you click in the product, then you can see the list of the product here, and privacy, go to the home. So guys, that's all for today's video. We have implemented the CRUD operations without any databases. In the next video I will surely implement the with the databases, like code first approach and the database approach. Okay, all the things I will implement in the next video. uh, so guys, now for your request guys, if you want to, I will make any different technology. So guys, comment down below that which technology you like to make the video, if you want to any version or anything. Okay, so just comment it down, and okay guys, let's thank you for this video.